Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to replace the light inside this refrigerator. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your refrigerator or to yourself. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, so this is, like I said, Whirlpool. And now when you open the door, there is no light. Also here is the model of the refrigerator right here. And I removed this shelf here so I have more access to the light. And I removed the items here also. And I got this light here so I can see what I'm doing. The first thing you need to do is to unplug the refrigerator, unplug it, disconnect it. That's the first thing you need to do. But I'm not gonna do it because this refrigerator, I need to pull it out and it's too heavy for me, so I'm gonna do it without removing. Okay, I have the new lamp right here. I got this from Amazon. It came with this tool and the instructions, okay? Okay, so let's remove the lamp over there, and then I'm gonna show you how to transfer this new lamp to the frame over there. Okay, I already removed one clip here, so it's almost every inch. 1, 2, 3. It's almost every inch. It has a clip, so you need to what you need to do is go like this, like that. Okay. Be very careful because it's really dry. Try to not break the clips because later we need to use it. Oops, it came out really fast. Okay, so but be careful because it has some pins attached around, so that way you can remove this frame. Okay, so now we're gonna remove 2 screws right here. Okay, here is one. Okay, I hope I can find it. It's really hard to make a video with one hand and to work with the other one, but I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. Okay, let me look for this. Okay, I got the 2 screws here. And now with this little tool, you need to kind of, you see right here it has a clip, so you need to push it. Right there. Okay, be careful because you need to pull it this way, very slow. Go right there. And now we need to disconnect the right there. Okay. Okay, so let's bring this to the table. Okay, so now we need to remove this the old lamp. Here is the part number. Sometimes it's better to order by the part number that from the model of the refrigerator or whatever you're fixing, it's better to order by the part, not by the model, because sometimes they send you a wrong part. Okay, so to remove the lamp, we need to go here and two of these, and then like a pull it up right there. See, came out. Now I'm gonna pull it this way. That's it. So that's the old one. Now we have the new one here. So we're gonna go right here first. Try to put it under this clip, and then push it a little bit right there. Okay, that's it. So now let's go back over there. Okay, so I hope you can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna connect the new cable here, over here. Right there. As you can see, the light came out now. So, and then you need to push it a little bit there. And make sure this go inside here, otherwise won't close. Okay, hide it over there, right there, and then go like that. See, perfect. Okay. Okay. Try to close it over here, this, open it, and right there. So now let's put the two screws. Two screws here. Oh, I hope you can see what I'm doing, because that's the only way I'm able to show you. Like I said, you need a lot of light, so when you working fixing something, make sure your kids or pets not around, so that way they don't grab your tools or something. Okay, so now let's put the frame back. Oh, let's close this way first. Right there, right there, right there. One more, I guess, right there. And as you see, it looks nice now. Okay, so you see, we replaced the light inside this Whirlpool refrigerator. Okay, so now it looks nice and it's working. Let me show you. Okay, let's open now. right there. It's working. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please subscribe, give me like, support me, and check my other videos. I try to fix whatever I can, and share with people. Okay. So thank you so much, and have a great day.